Alright, they are chill. Oh, Christmas Day. Jeremy. What game is this, Tress? What game is this? Huh? Creek? Hey! Oh, could I cause this load?
Oh, you have to walk up to him. Not like absolutely. You don't have to. That's the thing. You better not hit her with that.
Oh, your tablet's changed. You did it?
Man, come baby. See there,
Who's that lady?
Hey.
Ha ha ha.
Oh, Merry Christmas. I'm so festive today.
Go on, Ches, make us see you. Started? Yeah, when I'm rich friend, them him now want to show him face, so we not show him face, you understand? The man have a whole heap of money, so we can't show him face, we not show her face. Come in, Rashida. Guys, today I go on all our vibes from a Virgin Black, you see it? I go on some Christmas thing and I go and chill with the family. Yeah, man. Kill me. Boy, she love her belly. Toes and skirt. Yo, belly fall. Yo. Yeah. Hold on for your man for me know say I love him, my girl. Yeah. Yes, my youth, from me know see I love a girl that's hold on for her tight. Yeah. Right now, my girl, it make me feel like saying that hold on for my word. Hold on.
Yeah.
Don't underestimate them. You have to have the personality that
You're not going back out?
person for my
So the gentleman was saying if it's...
Yeah.
Why we are here and they're out there?
I was wondering why everybody was saying so I came in.
No, I was just I saw him and Ramar here.
Or to switch to inside.
Okay guys, so we're heading home now from our get together at our friend's place. It was a very enjoyable night.
Yeah, it was a nice night.
Yes, big up on yourself. We get Christmas man Christmas. Okay, so we never do not get together. Rona, you have nothing on us, darling. What you have to say, Jaden?
Have a really nice time.
Okay.
Of course, you get to meet some new people and so on, so it's a good look. And them cool.
Yeah, nice
them
people.
they're cool kids, you know, and the people them nice as well. So yeah
Yep.
man, guys, that's it for us. Because we're heading home. Nice community. We need to show them some good community in our place, yeah. But
Yeah.
as it stands for now, see you next time.
Yeah, until next time, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Peace, guys. Wow, look at these lights. This is something to talk about. Statement lighting. This is a wow community. This is nice.